Unveiling the magic behind a self-cleaning oven. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that combines technology and convenience in the kitchen: self-cleaning oven. This term sounds pretty straightforward, but there's quite a bit happening behind those two words. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just love learning about how everyday appliances make our lives easier, this video will unravel the mystery of how self-cleaning ovens work and why they're an amazing feature in modern kitchens. Let's get started. A self-cleaning oven is a modern kitchen appliance designed with a feature that allows it to clean itself with minimal effort from the user. But how does it do this? The magic lies in its ability to reach extremely high temperatures, typically around 500 degrees Celsius, 932 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot enough to turn food residues and spills into ash. This process is known as pyrolytic cleaning. The oven locks itself during this cleaning cycle to prevent accidents, ensuring safety throughout the process. Understanding the self-cleaning process is crucial to appreciating this innovative feature. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Preparation. Before starting the self-cleaning cycle, you should remove all pans and foil from the oven to prevent damage. 2. Locking. The oven door automatically locks to ensure that the high temperatures do not pose a risk to users. 3. Heating. The oven heats up to its maximum temperature, incinerating any food particles and grease. 4. Cooling down. After the cycle, the oven needs time to cool down. This can take a few hours. 5. Wiping away ashes. Once cooled, a simple wipe with a damp cloth is enough to remove the ash residue left behind. Benefits of self-cleaning ovens include saving time and effort on manual cleaning, reducing the need for chemical cleaners, and offering a higher level of cleanliness and hygiene. However, there are considerations to keep in mind. The high temperatures can produce odors and smoke, so ventilation is important. Not all messes are suitable for self-cleaning cycles, especially large spills. The process consumes a significant amount of energy. We hope this explainer has shed light on the innovative world of self-cleaning ovens and how they work to make our lives a bit easier. It's fascinating to see how technology can transform mundane tasks into simple, almost magical processes. Whether you're a tech aficionado or just curious about the appliances you use daily, understanding the function and benefits of self-cleaning ovens is incredibly useful. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Happy cooking and cleaning, everyone!